Hi students, today I am going to take the topic capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor with and without dielectric medium between the plates, that is belongs to second chapter electrostatic potential and capacitance. So here we can consider two plates. First plate, charge is distributed, that is positive charge, and the second plate, another charge, that is negative charge is distributed. So in between electric field will produce, that electric field is sigma by epsilon 0. So here electric field E is equal to sigma by epsilon 0 in case of air. Now I am considering sigma by epsilon, that is permittivity in a medium. We know that epsilon is equal to epsilon 0 into epsilon r, where epsilon 0 is permittivity in free space, epsilon r is relative permittivity. So here this equation you can write E is equal to sigma by epsilon 0 into epsilon r. So here with dielectric medium, I am considering with dielectric medium. What is dielectric medium? Insulator. So here E is equal to sigma by epsilon 0 into epsilon r, relative permittivity. This is epsilon r, relative permittivity. My question, what is the unit of relative permittivity? What is the unit of relative permittivity? It has no unit, because epsilon is equal to epsilon 0 into epsilon r. So epsilon r equal to epsilon by epsilon 0. It is ratio, so it has no unit. Unit of epsilon 0 we know. Okay, so here E is equal to sigma by epsilon 0 into epsilon r. Another important point, electric potential is electric field into distance between the plate. So V is equal to E into D. So this is equation number 1. This is equation number 2. Then 1 in 2 you will get V is equal to, instead of V you can substitute this expression, that is sigma by epsilon 0 into epsilon r into D, that is V is equal to sigma D divided by epsilon 0 into epsilon r. That is equation number 3. Capacitance equation. What is the equation of capacitance? C is equal to Q into V. So here Q is equal to CV, then C is equal to Q by V. That is equation number 4. And here also, instead of Q you can substitute sigma A, because charge is distributed on the surface. So here instead of Q, C is equal to, instead of Q, the sigma A you can substitute, that is sigma A divided by, instead of V you can substitute this equation, that is sigma D by epsilon 0 epsilon r. So finally you will get C is equal to sigma A into reciprocal multiplication, so epsilon 0 epsilon r divided by sigma D. Here sigma D, this sigma cancel, so C is equal to, final expression you will get epsilon 0 epsilon r A divided by D. So it is a mathematical expression. So instead of epsilon r you can write K. This is called dielectric constant. This is called dielectric constant. So with the medium you can write C is equal to K into epsilon 0 A by D. And next is without dielectric. Without dielectrics there is air. So air K is equal to 1. Then mathematical expression C is equal to, you can substitute, instead of K 1 you will get epsilon 0 A by D. So this is C. You can consider CD. What is CD? Capacitance with dielectric medium, and here without dielectric medium. There is one relationship between CD and C. That is CD is equal to K into epsilon 0 A by D. Then what is epsilon 0 A by D? That is C. That is CD is equal to K into C. That is CD by C is equal to K, or C by CD is equal to 1 by K. So it is one mathematical expression. And this is also a very important topic. And one more equation, that is here one plate, positive charge is distributed. Okay, here negative charge is distributed. So here one dielectric medium we placed like that, means this thickness also, this is thickness T, this thickness is equal to D. That time you can write CD is equal to K into epsilon 0 A by D. Okay, then second case, this dielectric medium we consider partially filled dielectric medium. Partially filled dielectric medium means here its thickness is T and this distance is D. That time capacitance C become epsilon 0 A divided by D minus T into 1 minus 1 by K. Okay, so here what is the D? Distance between two plates. What is T? That is thickness, and K is dielectric constant. So it is a mathematical expression, C is equal to epsilon 0 A divided by D minus T into 1 minus 1 by K. So this equation we can use some numerical case, that is dielectric is partially filled. And dielectric full fill means you can use this equation, CD is equal to K into epsilon 0 A by D. And there is no dielectrics, that time you can use C is equal to epsilon 0 A by D. Okay, thank you.